Welcome back or welcome to the channel. What if money isn't just paper, numbers, or coins, but a mirror of human consciousness? What if the way we earn, spend, and value money tells the story of our spiritual evolution? Well, today we're exploring the spiritual journey of money, how it evolved from survival to power to separation, and now finally towards consciousness, purpose, and alignment. Money is one of the most emotionally charged topics we have, but that's exactly why it's such a powerful spiritual teacher. So let's begin at the beginning. In early human societies, money didn't exist as we know it. Value was tied directly to survival: food, shelter, tools, protection. So bartering was energetic exchange. I give you what I have and you give me what you have. There was no abstraction, no hoarding, no accumulation for identity. So spiritually, money before it was money was life force energy. It flowed only as needed. So at this stage, money consciousness was rooted in trust in nature, and trust in tribe. As societies grew larger, money became symbolic. Coins, currencies, and systems emerged. So with abstraction came power. So those who controlled money controlled land, labor, and resources. So spiritually, this marked a shift from trust to fear. So money became something to protect, accumulate, and defend. It separated people into classes: rich and poor, rulers and workers. So here money evolved into a symbol of authority and dominance rather than shared survival. Fast forward to the modern world, money is no longer just about survival or power, it's about identity. How often are we asked, what do you do? How much do you make? What do you own? Net worth becomes self-worth. So spiritually, this stage is marked by ego attachment. Money becomes a stand-in for value, success, freedom, and even love. This is also why money triggers so much anxiety, shame, and comparison. It's carrying emotional weight it was never, ever meant to hold. And finally, here's where the spiritual evolution begins to shift. More people are waking up to the idea that money is not good or bad. It's energy, neutral, amplifying. Money doesn't create consciousness, it reflects it. So in this stage, people begin asking, what is my relationship with money? What beliefs did I inherit? What does money allow me to express? Money becomes a tool for alignment, not identity. Now, at its most evolved level, money becomes a circulatory system for human creativity and service. Instead of how much can I get, the question becomes how can I serve, create, and contribute. Money flows towards meaningful work, ethical businesses, creativity, healing, community. So in conscious money systems, wealth is not hoarded, it circulates. Spiritually, this is money aligned with heart-centered consciousness. How beautiful is that? I want you to know that your personal relationship with money is part of this collective evolution. So ask yourself this: do I see money as safety, status, or expression? Do I chase money or do I allow it to flow through purpose? Do I fear money or do I trust my ability to create value? Money evolves as we evolve. So when consciousness shifts, currency flows. Please listen to this. Money is not the enemy of spirituality, unconsciousness is. So when money is guided by awareness, integrity, and intention, it becomes a powerful force for good. So if this video resonated with you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.